We are so excited to announce that after considerable development with our partner, Nightingale Security, we have been selected by a global Fortune 25 oil and gas company to develop and deploy their fully autonomous remote sensing solutions using our advanced drone technology and capabilities. This project involves integrating Draganfly's newest drone platform, the Apex drone, with Nightingale's drone-in-a-box technology to create an autonomous system for infrastructure monitoring. The mission profile is real-time surveillance of critical infrastructure, such as pipelines and facilities, particularly in remote and challenging environments. The Draganfly Apex will be equipped with a variety of sensors, including optical gas imaging, tunable diode laser absorption spectroscopy, thermal imaging, and standard RGB cameras. These sensors are designed to detect emissions, leaks, and structural issues with a high level of accuracy, which is crucial for maintaining safety and operational efficiency in the oil and gas sector. This integration with Nightingale's system means that these drones will be able to function autonomously without the need for direct human oversight, allowing for continuous monitoring in hazardous or hard-to-reach areas. This provides valuable real-time data while minimizing risk. We've already completed the first phase of the project, which focused on validating the sensors and selecting the appropriate technologies. The next phase of the project involves expanded testing deployments and integrations designed for scaling across a global energy infrastructure network. This is where Draganfly shines, building global, innovative, and scalable solutions with partners for some of the largest companies and organizations in the world. This project is indicative of the scale and breadth of the adoption now starting in the drone industry. Our collaboration with Nightingale Security has allowed us to combine their expertise in automated solutions with our drone sensor and data capabilities, creating a system that's tailored for the needs of the global oil and gas industry, saving time, money, and lives.